In this video, we will be covering the installation of admin tools for ArcGIS. This installation is being performed on a brand new environment with no variables that may exist in yours. So please coordinate with your IT department if there are any specific security policies, software, or settings that need to be considered before installation. We will begin by extracting the admin tools zip file that was provided to you by Jobe and downloaded to your computer. When selecting a location to unzip, create a new folder within www root. This is usually found in C, inetpub, www root. We recommend naming this folder Admin Tools without the version number to make it easy to update later. After the folder is extracted, MongoDB will be installed, which is used to store configurations and settings for the software. Open the Installs folder and install the MongoDB Windows x86 file. If you already have MongoDB installed, you can skip this step. After accepting the end-user license agreement, you can follow the default Complete option when using the Install Wizard. Installing MongoDB Compass is optional, but can be helpful for troubleshooting purposes. Note that this installation could take a few moments. After MongoDB is installed, you will now install the required IIS modules in order found in the Installs standalone folder. Again, the order that these modules are installed is very important for admin tools to run correctly. The first module to install is the rewrite_AMD64 file. After accepting the agreement, this module should install fairly quickly. The second module to install is the request_router_AMD64 file. Again, this should install fairly quickly after accepting the agreement. Next, navigate back to the Installs folder. Select the Install Server file. Right-click and Run as Administrator. An NSSM Service Installer window should pop up. Click the button with the three dots next to the Path setting. Now, go up one directory up to the App Server folder, select the index file, and click the Open button. You can now click the Install Service button, which should immediately give you a successful installation notification. Click OK to close this notification. You're now going to go to your Windows search bar and type in IIS to access your Internet Information Services Manager. After the IIS Manager opens, go to your connections list, which should be on the left pane. Click on the server entry below the Start page. A drop-down may appear, however, in the main window, Application Request Routing should be one of the first available options. Double-click this icon. A new page should appear. On the far right panel, under Actions, find the Proxy section, and click on the Server Proxy Settings link. The only action needed here is to check the Enable Proxy box. Details on why this is necessary are referenced in a link in the description. Ensure that you click Apply on the far right panel and close the window. At this point, your installation of admin tools should be complete. You can now open a web browser and navigate to the URL that admin tools is running. When admin tools opens, you should see an authentication page. Click on the drop-down and select your connector URL. This is where you will log in with your ArcGIS administrator credentials. Again, this must be a login for an ArcGIS administrator. After successfully logging in and accepting the Jobe end-user license agreement, you should now have access to admin tools. If you're interested in any of the features or products shown in this video, please reach out by email to connect@geo-jobe.com. Thank you.